Introduction. A major concern of finished dose form manufacturers is contamination of their products. Contamination means the presence of unwanted substances in a product. Contaminants can be microbiological, for example, microorganisms, including bacteria. Physical, for example, dust, leftover material, insects. Chemical, for example, product impurities, cleaning fluids. This module deals with how to prevent contamination of finished dose form products by using good hygiene, cleanliness, and production practices. Personnel contamination prevention. All personnel must follow a company's good personal hygiene practices and dress codes for all areas of a facility. The dress codes for particular areas are determined by the level of potential product exposure to personnel. Dress codes are designed to minimize the risk of product contamination from people and must be followed. Personnel should avoid direct contact with all chemical materials and products. It is essential for employees to wear clean personal protective equipment, or PPE, to protect products from contamination. PPE is also worn to protect the employees from exposure to harmful materials.